Okay, y'all, so I am home and this is my car. Here is the car. Give you guys a good look at it. Okay, so this is what my car is looking like. All right, so let's just start with the tires since we're already here. I got the 18-inch wheels. They do have the hubcaps on, but as you probably seen in another video, you can actually pop these off and have rims behind it. I actually have never done it. I don't feel like doing it. I got nails on, but it's pretty easy. You literally are supposed to be able to just pop these off. If you guys don't know, Tesla is an electric car, so there is no gas associated with this car. So in the front, I actually have the app on my phone because you do have to use the app when you are using a Tesla. I'm gonna unlock the front. This is what they call it. It's the front of the car because there is no engine and stuff like that. This is the storage space that you get in this area, and it comes with these little latches, so like if you want to hang a bag, if you want to hang like bags, grocery bags or something from these, you can. But it's a nice little front area. I can also open the trunk, and I do that from my phone as well. It popped open. You just whoop. So this is what the trunk looks like. Have my little Tesla kit, which has my charger in here if I wanted to do a regular outlet. There's that, and as you can see, you can plug it up to a regular American outlet. They have this extra storage space. Oh, you just pull right here. Look at that, extra storage under here. Like, do y'all see how deep that is? Insane. So I thought that was amazing, and it goes pretty far back, as you can see. Like, it's pretty back here. So the car is on, and this is where you actually put your charger in. All right, if you want to charge it, you just charge it here. But I love how it's like hidden in your tail light. Love these handles. I do. You just press this with your thumb and open it like that. But they're so flush to the actual car, so it's kind of cool. You got to tell people how to get in and out the car. And this is how you get out of the car. You do not pull on this handle, you just press this button. So when you literally are like opening the door, just like put your hand right there and press the button. Easy peasy. When I got there, there was a guy there. He was so freaking nice. He was already like a Tesla owner, and he was just like asking all these questions like, which one did you get, like, and showing me different accessories and stuff that I should get with the car. And I love that. It's like a whole club. So I'm just like, yeah, can I please get these accessories? But I had already got some accessories, but he talked about some that I didn't know, which was cool. I got this stuff for like to put in the cup holders. I got the charger to put down there, and I also have a tempered glass for the big ass screen. I got some new stuff. I got this little thing to put, because this is the key for the Tesla. It's a card basically. So these are the keys, and so I got this to put right there. All right, you guys, so this is the little card piece that I was talking about. It comes with like sticky things, and you just line this up with this, just like that, and that's where your card is gonna go. So let me go ahead and take the stickers off and put that in. I've installed it, and this is how your card just sits right in there, and this is how you drive your car. I mean, you don't really need the card if you have a phone and you have the app on your phone. You don't need it. They don't give you a charger, they give you like this regular pad thingy. So we're gonna take this out, and we're gonna add the charger instead. So when I sit my phone down, it just automatically charges. I basically just gonna put this on top and feed these cords through here and plug them up down up in there. Let's see if it works. Here's my phone, and it works. All of this stuff I got off Amazon, so I'll have everything linked below if you want to check it out. Also, if you are thinking about getting a new Tesla, I will also have my link below, because you guys can get some free charging miles if you use my link to sign up. So I actually used Ella Ree's link, so shout out to her for letting me use her link. But if you want to use my link, it'll get me 5,000 for this month, but normally it's 1,000. I'll get 1,000 miles and you'll get 1,000 miles. I also have the cup holder things. That'll be the next easiest thing to put on. Actually, now that I think about it, it already has stuff like in here, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna return these. I don't think I need this. I might need one for like the cup, but all of this, nah, son. Let me just put my tempered glass on. But this is how the inside of the car looks. Check me out, look. Oh, and the ceiling is literally the best part. Like, what do you see? This is pretty much what you guys will see if you get a Tesla, well, Model 3. There is nothing in front of the wheel, and as you can see right over the car because of how the car is, like, the design of the car goes down. You can literally see the entire road, presenting the road. Like, what? Like I said, this car is completely electric. Everything in this car is right here. There's nothing here, nothing anywhere. Everything's here. The speed will show up right here when I am driving. This is what my charge is looking like. Tesla recommends that you don't fill up past this line unless you are going on a trip. Normally, you should keep your battery around this range, which is cool with me. This car has 14 speakers, so the music is so loud. I have the radio streaming. I can attach my phone and play iTunes or whatever else I want to play, podcasts. You can hook up your USB, or you can search for some music if you'd like. You know, you have the seat warmers, stuff here. Oh, y'all, look at how the AC be doing. Look at this. So right now, this is how I can feel the air, but I can change the way that the air is gonna flow on me. So now it's all coming like directly right here. Like, it's so crazy. And I control the other side as well. Just like that. I can spread it out. You can do so much with this car. So this is like my control center. So like lights, the glove box. If I click that, pops open. So I could turn it on night mode, keep it on day mode. Auto means that when it's nighttime, it turns to night, of course, and during the day, it's bright. With autopilot, you can have the speed limit set. They got a navigation system. I had to actually hit this Tesla key right there. Whoop. You have to press that to get this, and then you just swipe down for your Easter eggs. And I wanted to show you guys the romance option. You guys saw I already put my charger down here, so my phone just sits right up in there. And then they have this little storage area down up in there, and a little cup holder, a place I put my card, and then some more storage down up in there. Like, y'all, this car got so much storage. Here's my back seat. Like I said, they all have heated seats back here, so that's pretty cool. Does have 2 chargers for the people in the back, so that's cool too. And the amazing ceiling. So honestly, y'all, ain't too much that I can show you with this car because it's so like minimalist, you know. The controls are here for like music and stuff. My phone is actually the key, so just press that and it'll tell you how many miles you got and all that stuff. What's cool about the car too is that you can put it on dog mode. So if you have a doggy like me, you put it on dog mode. My owner will be back soon. Don't worry, the AC is on and it's at 69 degrees. So if you leave your pet in, that's fine. It will lock the doors and everything. Your pet would be in here. People will know that your pet is safe. So the car has cameras, as you guys can see, tons and tons of cameras. I don't even know where they all are. Let me know if you have any other questions regarding, or any other things you would like to see in the car that I did not show you guys.